Folding bikes in 2026 are smarter than ever. Compact enough to fit anywhere, yet powerful enough to handle your daily rides without compromise. But here's what most people get wrong. Not every folding bike is actually convenient. Some are heavy, awkward, and not worth the money. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 6 best folding bikes of 2026 that truly deliver portability, performance, and real everyday usability. Let's get into it. This is Ride Nexus. Top 6 best folding bikes. Number 6. Brompton Electric G-Line. While most Bromptons use 16-inch wheels and rim brakes, the Electric G-Line rolls on 20-inch wheels, fitted with wide tires and employs disc brakes to bring you to a halt. Designed to offer the ride feel of a full-size bike, Brompton says its G-Line range is for the city and beyond. While most Bromptons use 16-inch wheels and rim brakes, the G-Line rolls on 20-inch wheels, fitted with wide tires and employs disc brakes to bring you to a halt. Here it comes equipped with a hub-based 250-watt motor for a dose of assistance when required. The motor is paired with a 4-speed rear derailleur and a single chainring, while the aforementioned wide tires are Schwalbe's excellent G1 all-round, measuring 2.1 wide. We found that they help to make the handling more predictable and less twitchy, while also adding some comfort. All told, despite its weight, the Electric G-Line is quite playful to ride. As for the folding aspect, we found that after a little practice we were comfortable folding it down and back up wherever we went. Once folded, it was compact enough to fit under a desk. The 345 Wh battery sits inside a bag that's attached to the front of the bike, just below the handlebars. Its position here allows for the addition of controls on the battery unit, which you can adjust while riding. We found it easier to see the power assist and charge levels. Battery life was impressive, but the battery does have to be removed to be charged, and the port is inconveniently located at the base. Another minor gripe is the wiring system that powers the integrated lights. While having the lights is a bonus, after repeated folding and unfoldings, the connector wire came undone. It was an easy fix in the end, but we did have to consult a Brompton dealer to solve the issue. These are relatively small issues, however, and in general, the Electric G-Line is an excellent option for anyone wanting a folding bike with assistance. Number 5. Brompton G-Line. Designed for off as well and on-road use, the G-Line is built around a larger 20-inch wheel size, dressed in wide Schwalbe gravel tires. But the 4-inch increase in wheels isn't the only difference. There are disc brakes, and hydraulic ones at that. Sensibly, Brompton has also equipped the rugged G-Line with Shimano's Alpine 8-speed internal gear rear hub, which offers a 307% gear range and keeps all the drivetrain components out of harm's way. While still using the same folding mechanism that unites all Bromptons, the G-Line has longer chain status and wheelbase, in part to accommodate the bigger wheels, but also to add more stability. A smart move given the intended use of the bike, and in general it works. We found the bike was a remarkably stable place to be, with the twitchiness found on the smaller wheeled model replaced with a more assured ride. Off-road, the wide gear range coped with the hills, but the bike's weight, some 15 kilograms in the size large we tested, meant it was slow going. We were impressed with how the wheels and tires rolled over gravel tracks and paths, helping to absorb some of the ruts and potholes. On trickier descents, the wider handlebars were greatly appreciated. All told, it's a clever bike that neatly bridges the urban-rural divide with aplomb. Number 4. Tern Vektron S10. I really rated the non-electric Tern Verge X11, so I had complete confidence that the powered Tern Vektron would also be a winner. The Vektron uses slightly smaller 20-inch wheels, although these are larger than some folding bike models, like the Brompton, which are teamed with Schwalbe Big Apple tires and provide a really stable and comfortable ride feel. The biggest deal with the Vektron is that it features a Bosch electric drivetrain with a full charge that can last between 30 and 60 miles depending on the level of electric assist. The rest of this impressive folding bike is, as expected with Tern, spec'd highly with Magura MT4 hydraulic disc brakes and a reliable Shimano 10-speed Dewar drivetrain. The standard Atlas rack can haul 27 kilograms/59 pounds and is also compatible with a child bike seat. With the battery, motor rack, fenders/mudguards, and integrated lights, however, comes a weight compromise, weighing in at 48.72 pounds/22.1 kg. It's probably one of the heaviest folding bikes I am aware of, which can make off-bike maneuverability tricky, especially if there are stairs involved. Weight penalty aside, this could be a great choice for those with families or who need to haul a reasonable amount of stuff on public transport. Number 3. Brompton P-Line. Brompton's P-Line features a titanium rear triangle, making it a lighter sub-10 kg option compared to the original all-steel Brompton, now called the C-Line, which weighs between 24.7 and 26.6 pounds, 11.2 and 12.1 kilograms. During testing, I really noticed the difference, and while 22 pounds/10 kg is still a fair amount to carry around for more extended periods, the weight reduction did make the P-Line altogether easier to pick up and take with us. Like all Bromptons, it's nicely put together with umpteen clever little design hacks. I particularly appreciated being able to roll the bike on its roller skate-style wheels, a feature which was not available on previous P-Lines. This allowed me to easily wheel it around a station concourse via the saddle and maneuver it around commuters during the rush to the train. The 4-speed gearing system is just as clever. It comes with an ingenious own-brand 2-piece derailleur, which has been designed to fit inside the narrow fold. I did find, however, that the rear derailleur was a little fiddly to adjust, and I would have liked a smaller bottom gear, but both are relatively minor issues. All told, I found the new P-Line to be more practical, more pick-upable, more maneuverable than before, which truly makes it one of the best folding bikes out there. Number 2. Dahon Mariner D8. The Mariner D8 is one of Dahon's most popular folding bikes, and with its all-around performance, it's clear to see why. The frame is made from the brand's Dalloy, an aluminium alloy, Sonus tube set, and it folds via Dahon's lattice-forged hinge with what it calls vice grip technology, which the brand says makes it a fast folder. It also helps keep the overall weight reasonably low. It's far from the lightest folding bike. That award goes to the Hummingbird folding bike, but at 27.69 pounds/12.56 kg, it's far from portly. The 20-in wheels and V-brakes may be of no particular brand, but the Mariner D8 gets an 8-speed Shimano Altus drivetrain, a great, reliable and durable component, and a great find at this price point. Coming complete with a rear rack and full coverage fenders/mudguards, it's ready to commute or go shopping straight out of the box. It's one of the best folding bikes on the market, as I believe it does tick all the boxes of what to look for in a folder. There is no denying that to reach this competitive price point, you are making compromises, with none of the Dahon Mariner D8's features truly standing out. It's not particularly exciting, thrilling, or stand out from the crowd beautiful. It just does what it says, and sometimes that's all we really want. Number 1. Brompton C-Line Explorer. World-renowned, UK-based brand Brompton is the market leader in the best folding bikes. There's one frame size, with a whole range of customization options. Customers can choose everything from the handlebar shape, frame material, which obviously affects the weight, number of gears, finishing kit, and of course, color. Bromptons feature a traditional 16-inch wheel size and are famously quick and easy to fold. With 6 gears, I found the C-Line Explorer to be the ideal folding bike for tackling hilly terrain. We also appreciated the fenders that protected our clothing from mucky road spray. Furthering its commuter credentials, there is a front luggage block that lets you clip on a Brompton-specific bag, available at an additional cost, and a set of durable and puncture-resistant Schwalbe tires. The C-Line weighs just over 12 kilograms/26 pounds, which means it's not the lightest object to carry when folded up, but there are other options in Brompton's lineup if this is an issue, notably the featherweight T-Line. If this video helped you make a better choice, drop a like right now and comment which folding bike stood out to you the most. I want to know. And if you're serious about bikes and e-bikes, you already know what to do. Subscribe to Ride Nexus for more real reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.